Hey, what's good, everybody? This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video, we have for you some peach cobbler egg rolls right after this. Alright, as usual, before we get started with the video, let me show you all the ingredients. Also, the ingredients will be listed in the description below the video. Alright. Alright, the first thing I'm doing is melting 2 sticks of butter in the oven, and I'm going to do it right in the casserole dish that I'm going to make the peach cobbler in. Alright, I'm going into the oven until the butter is melted. Alright, so now I'm going to start making a batter for the peach cobbler. Alright, I just went in with 2 cups of self-rising flour, and it has to be self-rising flour. It can't be all-purpose flour. So I went in with some salt, went in with some brown sugar, going in with some cinnamon. Alright, going in with some nutmeg. Going in with some pure vanilla extract. And make sure it's pure vanilla, not vanilla, not imitation vanilla. Alright, and right here I'm going in with 2 cups of whole milk. I'm going to give everything a nice stir to get it nice and mixed. And it's going to be kind of like the consistency of like loose pancake batter. Alright, now I'm making the peach filling. So I'm going in with 2 cans of peaches, a little bit of cornstarch. Alright, giving that a stir, just coating all those peaches with this cornstarch. Alright, now I'm going into the peaches with some cinnamon, some more of that vanilla extract, and giving that a nice mix. Alright, so right here, my 2 sticks of butter are melted. And now I'm going in with that batter. And you're not going to stir it up after you put it into the casserole dish. You just want to put it in as is. And now I'm going in with those peaches. And the other thing with the peaches, I strained 1 can of the syrup, and 1 can I kept the syrup. Alright, so here you go. There go the peach cobbler. So that's the look you want. You want that nice, golden brown crust on the top. Can't wait to dig into this. All right, so now I'm going to start making those egg rolls. All right, so you just want to use water to wet the edges, and that'll make sure to stick once it goes into the fryer. So there's 1 finished egg roll. And when I cut these later, you're not going to see a whole lot of peach, but in each one there's at least 2 or 3 peaches. So trust me when I tell you, there's going to be plenty of peach flavor in there, plenty of peaches. Alright, I got all my peach cobbler egg rolls made. Now it's on to the fryer. Alright, and the preheated, I got the grease at the oil at like 325, 350 degrees. Alright. I don't want it super hot because I don't want them to burn right away. I want to make sure that filling gets nice and hot. And I just want to get a golden crust on the outside. Yeah, and just be be very careful putting these in, because you don't want to. That's why you see me kind of going slow. I don't want to drop them in and hot grease splash all over the place. Probably be better to put them in with a pair of tongs. Alright, as you can see, they're getting nice and golden brown. They're developing the crust that I'm looking for. Alright, so I got them all done, and I'm just pulling them out, putting them onto a paper towel just to let that grease drain off. Alright, so while the egg rolls are still hot, I'm rolling them into some cinnamon sugar that I made, and it's just, you know, like 3 parts sugar and like 1 part cinnamon, and then just mix it up really well. Alright, so you want to make sure you do this while your egg rolls are still hot, so the cinnamon sugar coats and sticks to the crust. And right here, just plating them up, getting ready to do that thumbnail picture. So like I said, when you look at the inside, when you look at the filling, it doesn't look like there's a lot of peaches in there, but there's actually at least, you know, 2.5 to 3 peaches in each one. And honestly, you know, I don't mean there's a whole peach. There's 2.5 whole peaches. I mean, there's about 2.5 to 3 of the quarters that came out of the can in each egg roll. All right, so now I'm just sprinkling some powdered sugar on top of the peach cobbler egg rolls. But at this point, the recipe is done. All right, the powdered sugar is optional, the cinnamon sugar is optional. But on that note, I just want to thank you for checking out this video. All right, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber already. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more cooking videos. And also give a thumbs up to the video and share the video, and definitely leave a comment. All right, I appreciate it. Check out some other videos on my channel. Also, you can check me out on social media at Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. You can also join my Facebook group on Facebook, Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and you can leave your own videos and recipes on that page. All right, God bless. Catch you on the next video.